We are so excited to have students back on campus and in the classroom, both in person and online. We are praying for an incredible semester where you grow in Christ and in your knowledge, preparing for what God's called you to do, and flourishing both in the classroom and in your local church context, as well as among your family. A few reminders that we have for you as you get back into the swing of things at Southwestern Baptist Theological Seminary. First one is Convocation and our Chancellor's Chapel. On August 27th, we'll be led in worship and in academic vision casting by our president, Dr. David Dockery. Followed on August 29th by our Chancellor's Chapel, where Dr. Hawkins will be here and be casting vision and opening the Word and challenging us. So join us both in person and online for those incredible times. Another incredible opportunity we have at the beginning of each fall semester is our Global Missions Week. That's going to begin on September 3rd and run through that entire week. On September 3rd, we have one of our new faculty members and a very good friend of mine, Dr. Kevin Rogers. He and his family served in Sub-Saharan Africa for over 25 years with the International Mission Board, and he will be challenging us to think globally and taking the mission to the ends of the earth. Followed on September 5th by Dr. Gordon Fort, who leads prayer and strategic partnerships at the International Mission Board. It's always a great time, and you're going to hear incredible stories. Also, the following week, we continue with the globally engaged core value mindset as we have a panel discussion with faculty from across the campus talking about what it means for Southwestern Baptist Theological Seminary to be globally engaged both in the classroom and to the ends of the earth for God's glory. And finally, for those of you that are looking to sharpen your skills around preaching the Word, we want to invite you to the Effective Preaching Workshop on September 30th. You can feel free to register online now by going to our website, but in that workshop, you'll have the opportunity to hear from practitioners and professionals that are doing the work of faithfully preaching and expositing the text. You'll be walking through 2 Corinthians that day and hearing from pastors all around the States and our very own faculty members that are preparing you to do the work that God has called you to do by faithfully preaching the text to God's people. There's always a lot going on around Southwestern at the beginning of a year and the beginning of a semester, but we're so excited for you to be here and for you to be able to walk in flourishing in and through both your academic pursuits, your co-curricular pursuits in student life, and through mentorship on and around Seminary Hill.